अभी हम लोग आए हैं ट्री हिल नेचर सेंटर में। ये इट्स काइंड ऑफ अर्बन वाइल्डरनेस लाइक अर्बन ओएसिस। दिस इज़ स्प्रेड इन 50 एकर्स एंड शहर के बीच में है और इसमें 7 ट्रेल्स है। सो आपको कितना डिफ़िकल्टी चलने का पसंद है उसके हिसाब से आप आपका ट्रेल सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। नॉट ओनली दैट, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्क्यू एनिमल्स के भी शेल्टर्स है। जैसे had to wait for car to get जैसे turtles है, reptiles है, some goats and all fat animals है. So
This is the check-in at the front office.
yeah, the entrance fee is $6 per person for adult and अगर आप military student या senior है तो again you get some discount.
And the park is open Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Last entry is 4 p.m.
Yeah.
अगर हम 1 मिनट के लिए एकदम शांत होते हैं तो आवाज़ सुनेंगे, यहाँ पे बर्ड्स तो सबका आवाज़ आ रहा है।
देखिए, this is the live oak. There's a reptile center, but looks like it's closed now. You can see live oak. It's like a forest. It is a forest indeed. So let's go inside and see what's in store. So this is the entrance. People have just started coming. This exhibit, it says, is closed. I don't know what it is. It's a trail. I don't know how far. Check-in at front office. This is where you check in and get the tickets. And of course, we are in Jacksonville, Florida. This is in the middle of the city. So the weather is very pleasant. You can see all the animals, birds. Making me get some. What's this?
Goats.
Oh, I need to see goat ka bachcha. See, this is the tortoise here somewhere. You know, where's the tortoise?
This one really loves crackers.
True.
Goats here. Oops.
Here you go. Here you go. Whoa, the big goat is so big.
The other way.
You can see this forest, middle of the city. The happy goats. They want something to eat.
Did you see me pet it?
You can buy
Yeah,
food for them at the office.
that one ready to jump.
You don't find any baby goats. Okay, let's move further.
You know where Alex, which I heard is a really cool place I've never seen.
American alligator.
You can't even see other than eyes.
Yeah. If you remove your glasses, maybe.
No, even then. That's what I tried.
Let's go. This is for the goats. Says hoofing it highway. That's for the goats.
Yeah, that playing area. So it goes all the way from here to there. I think that's their shelter.
Yeah.
Hoofing highway.
Hoofing highway. goes to here, I guess. And there's all the different trails here. Holland Creek Trail, Longleaf Pine Trail, Red Bay Branch Trail, and Sabal Palm Trail.
So you can go according to your.
Boardwalk Trail. I don't know where this one goes. Let's go. Full of trees. This place looks pretty interesting. And here the trail starts. And there goes the trail. Full of sunshine. I don't know how far this trail is. Where does it take us? Wish we don't encounter any animals on the way. It's a creek over there. Oh my gosh, this is so dense. I don't know what kind of animals would be here. This nature center is mainly for educational purpose for the children. That's why they kept the entry fee to $6. It's not like a commercial establishment. It's for the maintenance, that's all. It's maintained pretty good.
ये जो बॉर्ड वॉक्स वैसे होते हैं वो बहुत अच्छा होता है ताकि हम नेचर को डिस्टर्ब भी नहीं कर रहे हैं और नेचर का बीच में भी चल रहे हैं.
Minimal impact to the nature. How deep this one goes.
Wow, it's getting dense.
I think that goes and joins another trail or something.
I can see, like, voice coming.
That's from the back. Someone is following us. Well, this one's a happy trail. Oh, I'm not going there. There's nothing. You want to go happy trail?
Yeah, we're good. And यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी ट्रेल है कुछ भी है तो बीच बीच में बेंचेस हमेशा होते हैं बैठने का जगह. तो
देख उधर भी है.
हाँ,
उस तरह बैठने का कुछ
कभी भी आप थक जाते हैं. ये मेरी मम्मी जब यहाँ पे आई थी शिला उठा
देख.
कहाँ पे भी वो बैठ जाओ वापस जाओ.
Continuing the trail.
अभी जो हम है वो ट्रेल एक लूप पे आया. आई थिंक दिस इज अ लूप, इज कॉल्ड स्टेबल लूप. सो मे बी यहाँ पे सब ट्रेल का जॉइन होता होगा. दिस प्लांट्स आर नेफ्रोलेपिस. इसका स्पेशलिटी वो होता है कि जो सीड्स होते हैं वो पॉकेट में होते हैं और लीव्स के पीछे होते हैं. इसको इंडिया में हंसराज बोलते हैं.
So many varieties of plants and trees. Continue. What type
अगर आप
of?
बॉटनी पढ़ रहे हैं तो दिस इज द बेस्ट एरिया टू conduct a botanical tour. There are so many different species of plants here.
That's why they kept the entry fee about come.
With the palm trees, so many
Untouched.
varieties of palm. एंड यहाँ पे नंबर सब ये है 11, जैसे ये नंबर 11. सो इन केस इफ यू फील लाइक यू आर लॉस्ट, then you can call and you can say like, no, I'm near number 11. How do I go out?
You got the map too. Show the map.
Yeah, they have this map. See, we were on boardwalk and now we are here, Sabal family.
Untouched forest. Happy Trail. Amphitheater, stable loop. So should we go all the way back or no? How
We
does
can
it?
run it any time. If you want to go back, we can go back.
No, I'm talking about the map. If you look at the map.
Uh-huh. Oh, this is, yeah, it's a loop. So we can start from one end and reach on other end eventually and join the boardwalk again. See, this is a stable loop. We started from here. So we can go through whole loop and come back.
So you know where we are now?
We are near amphitheater. See, that's amphitheater.
Is amphitheater?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, where is this one leading? It's not a private thing, right?
No.
Okay. The butterfly house. Only 8 students. This is for the students. Well, see, you can see all the butterflies here. I'll try to zoom. I don't know whether we could go inside.
Yeah, it's open. But I'm scared, like, you know.
Yeah, they might fly off.
Yeah, it's not double glass door or anywhere. So I
Just
don't think
leave-
we need to go inside.
I feel sorry for them that they're in a confined
Generally,
space.
butterfly house में double glass door होता है, so you know butterflies don't.
We don't want to. See, there's some outside too.
Because it's open, they can come outside.
Yeah.
This is butterfly. And once again, this plant is Vitex nigundo. These leaves are very helpful for joint pain. This is herbal garden.
But this is a private thing, I guess.
Community garden.
Community. See this. I don't want to. It's like a private thing. Members.
Oh, thank you.
Can you go inside?
Yeah.
What do they grow here?
This is vegetables. These are like squash.
Here?
These are squash.
Are you guys from the area?
We are from Charleston, West Virginia.
Wow. My grandpa's from Barbersville, West Virginia.
Really?
Yeah.
You're just our neighbors.
My,
Oh my
my
God.
grandma used to call him a West Virginia mule. He was stubborn but honest and loyal.
Small world.
Yep. Well, we grow food here for a local food pantry, but we also work with Jacksonville University college students.
Oh,
So
okay.
this isn't going to work because nobody could walk over it. I'm trying to figure out ways to get everything to grow, but these are a little costly. You know, they're like $100 for the
Yeah,
whole setup.
yeah.
So
So ये है अर्लिंगटन कम्युनिटी गार्डन. यहाँ पे ये लोग वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स उगा रहे हैं वो. एंड यहाँ पे हमें बहुत ही नाइस लेडी मिली जिनका नाम है निकोल. एंड एक्सक्यूज मी. थैंक यू निकोल. थैंक यू.
you're very welcome. Thank you.
So, वो जो है वो निकोल वेरी नाइस लेडी. हम लोग अंदर गए और वो हमसे बात कर रहे हैं. कोइंसिडेंसेस उनके दादा भी वेस्ट वर्जीनिया से है. सो हम लोगों ने बात किया एंड शी टोल्ड लास्ट ईयर शी हैड 40 tons ऑफ बनाना ऑन हर बनाना प्लांट्स. एंड वो लोग सब वेजिटेबल्स लाइक टमेटोज, zucchini, mint, and she offered us to take some vegetables, but of course we are traveling. But then she no, take some mints and lemon balm. So देखिए उसने मुझे ये सब दी. So I got a new friend. This is like very fragrant flower. जो इंडिया में चंपा बोलते हैं.
You can keep this in the fridge maybe.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we can take it.
Yeah.
You got plastic envelopes too. Put it back in the fridge. It looks like an amphitheater over here. Okay, now which way do we go?
We are right here in community garden.
So, yeah. Continuing the trail.
So my overall of the whole world में बहुत सारे botanical trips किए, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिली हूँ जो लोग botany से connected हैं. They are always nice and friendly.
I think
Right,
we
sir?
went through here, right?
Yeah.
This,
Yeah. So we can go back. Let me check also.
I think so. You need to go here.
Yeah, exit is there.
Yeah, the same
So-
trail you're going back
Yeah,
now.
yeah. So हमने वो पूरा loop pass किया.
So are we done? Like, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So now again
Unless-
exit and boardwalk.
Unless I don't know where that one goes.
Where? This is the exact place where we started from.
हाँ.
पूरा चक्कर लगा के आए हम.
उधर कहाँ गए हम? हम ऐसा के
That's
like
table
this
look.
way we went.
This is again main office boardwalk आएगा.
That way we didn't go. That's something else. So see number one. This is number one. So this is Joseph Strauss boardwalk trail. Let's go back. Okay, friends, we just visited the nature trail. There are other couple of trails too, but I think so, our mission is accomplished. So we got to see few animals, trails, trees, got to interact with people. So
Very interactive meeting with gardener Miss Nicole. That was highlight of the trip, right?
So now next we'll be proceeding to the beach, and we'll keep you updated all along the day, and hope you guys have a great day.
PS, we got some gifts, means.
Bye. Have a good day.